Well, being here today is so good to just remind myself of how bad it was when I was a teenager and how much has changed for the good, right? I've learned that I used to feel so toxic for so long, and I carried a lot of toxic with me. I carried a lot of negative, and like seeing it all new and all clean and has so much more potential, so much more hope, right? Because things get better. And I just reminded myself, you get better and better every day in every way. I love to say affirmations every day, I do. Miracle after miracle, wonder after wonder comes to me every single day in every way. Another favorite is everything goes in my favor. You know, I'm a firm believer that God loves us and is always for us and not against us. You just have to believe. You need faith. Faith to trust, faith to believe. It's funny, when you don't trust, you clam up, you close in. Think about that. When you trust, you open up and you're free, right? But when you don't trust, you're just a big ball of nerves, right? You don't want to trust anybody. And you know, think about something. If you don't want to trust anybody, you're not going to be able to let love in, and you're not going to be able to let love out. It's like a sealed door in this like big chamber that has a lock on it. And that lock is to actually let go of things that we hold on to, our traumas, our pains, our worry, our fear, our frustration, our anxiety, our stress, right? Who wants to hold on to that anyway? We have to learn to let go. When you learn to let go, you set yourself free out of a self-imposed prison that we actually put ourselves in. And how do we do that? Well, from all the pain and trauma that happened to us, we close that heart up. We're not gonna let it open. The only problem is you carry all that issues and problems with you, and then you become toxic on the inside. Listen, it's bad being toxic on the inside, because then you can never get away from it. At least people on the outside that are toxic, you could disconnect to, but you can't disconnect from yourself. So just remind yourself that you're getting better and better every day. Miracle after miracle, wonder after wonder comes to you every single day in every single way, and everything goes in your favor. You have to start shifting the mindset. Shift the brain. Know that you have someone so special that designed you and created you, loves you more than the moon, stars, and sky, and you're important to him. Listen, if we don't have anything bigger than ourselves, we're in big trouble. We need somebody much more powerful than a human being, that's for sure. Because humans are very hurtful, because they've been hurt, right? Hurt people, and damage people, damage people. We have to learn to let go of all that hurt, all that pain, all that trauma, and embrace love, embrace unconditional love, embrace forgiveness, embrace gratitude, to be grateful for the little things that you do have, and stop focusing on the things you don't have. So I hope this gives you a little step in the right direction. Shift the mind, guys. It helps and it works.